Good morning to students. This is English period and today I am going to start lesson 2 articles. So open your new learners grammar and composition. We have studied articles in our previous class also. Now I am going to just revise articles again. There are two types of articles, indefinite and definite. Indefinite articles are a, an, and definite article is the. There are three articles a, an, the. These two are called indefinite articles and the is called definite articles. In this chapter we will learn where do we use article a, an, and the. We use a or a before consonant sound words and we use before vowel sound words, and the is used so many places which I will explain you. There are 26 letters in our English alphabet. 5 are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. 5 letters are vowels and 21 letters are consonants. Okay? There are 26 letters in our English alphabet. 5 are vowels A, E, I, O, U and 21 letters are consonants. In our Hindi, A, E, A, O. There are 4 letters. Sound of these 4 letters, A, E, A, O, is a vowel sound. Before this vowel sound word we use an. Otherwise, except these letters we use A. E, A, O. Okay? So dear students, in this chapter we will learn the use of articles. So open your book, page number 20. Yes. Page number 20, lesson 2, articles. What is the meaning of articles? Use of a, an and the. Let's do. Read this diary entry and see how a, an and the have been used. Dear diary, I am lying in a waterproof tent, nice and dry. It is raining. I can hear the thunder outside. I am eating an orange, a piece of chocolate and the biscuits mother baked for me. I am on a camping trip with my class. The campsite is just 70 kilometers away from the city. We are having a lot of fun. Wait, what was that? I thought I heard a noise. Is it a bear? An eagle? An owl? A jackal? I am scared. The teacher is sleeping in the next tent. I should shout to her. I will write down all the details later. In this paragraph, you have seen the use of a, an and the. Where is a is used, where an is used and where the is used. Now let's learn. A, an and the are called articles. A, an and the are called articles. A is used before consonant sounds and N is used before vowel sounds. A and N are called indefinite articles. The is called the definite articles. There are three types of articles, a, and the. A and N are called indefinite articles and the is called the definite article. The indefinite articles a and n are used for nouns that are used for the first time in a text or when we talk. A and n is used in a text when we use first time. Examples: a teacher, a young student, an angry voice. A is used before consonant sounds and N is used before vowel sounds. A house, a bus, a university, an orange, an hour, an honest man. Spelling is starting with consonant. It is also consonant, but we are using N because the sound of word is starting with vowel. Sound of the word is starting with vowel. That's why we will write N before the hour, honest. University. Spelling is starting with vowel letter, but sound is university. Yeah. That's why we will use a before the word university. The definite article the is used for nouns that have already been introduced or are already known. सेंटेंस में जो थिंग पहले आ चुकी है और नेक्स्ट टाइम वही थिंग फिर से रिपीट होती है, देन वी विल यूज द. एग्जाम्पल्स: द टीचर, द यंग स्टूडेंट, द वाटर, द प्लांट्स. Here we are using a teacher, a young student and angry voice because it is coming first time in the paragraph, but when this word comes second time in paragraph, then we will use the. First time जो word आता है उसमें हम a और an लगाते हैं. सेम वर्ड जब उसी पैराग्राफ में सेकेंड टाइम आता है तब हम द लगाते हैं. Let's practice. Read this passage. Say why a and the have been used. One has been done for you. A baby saw a bird. A baby saw a bird. The bird was sitting on a fence. Bird is repeating again. Bird, bird. First time we used a, but second time we are using the. The fence was painted brown. We are using the before the fence because it is coming second time in paragraph. First time we used a or a. The baby waved at the bird and giggled. The baby and at the bird. Baby coming second time or repeating again in the passage. Bird, word is repeating again in the passage. That's why we are using the. जब कोई चीज़ पैराग्राफ में फिर से रिपीट होती है, कोई वर्ड फिर से रिपीट होता है, तब हम उसमें द लगाते हैं. He showed an apple to the bird. The bird came to the baby to eat the apple. The apple. Here we are using an apple because word apple is coming first time. But in this passage, apple is coming second time. That's why we are using the. Okay. A baby. Baby used for the first time. That's why we are using a. A bird. Again, bird used for the first time. A fence. Fence used for the first time. An apple. Apple used for the first time, and apple begins with the vowel sound word. That's why we are using an. The baby. The baby. Baby used again. The bird. Bird used again. The fans. The fans because word fans used again. The apple. Apple used again. जब किसी पैराग्राफ में कोई थिंग अगेन रिपीट होती है तब हम द लगाते हैं. अदरवाइज अगर कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है तो हम ए लगाएंगे और वोवेल साउंड है तो हम एन. लेट्स लर्न. वी यूज द बिफोर न्यूज़पेपर नेम्स like the Telegraph, the Hindu, the Rajasthan Patrika. Famous buildings, museums, monuments, paintings. We use the before famous buildings, museums, monuments, paintings like the Empire State Building, the Louvre, the Qutub Minar, the Mona Lisa. The Mona Lisa is the famous painting. The people of country like the French, the Indian, the Russian. We also use the for adjective describing the highest quality, the most intelligent. Before the superlative degree, we use the. Before plural names, the Himalayas, the people or objects that are unique, the sky, the sun. Unique means found only one in the world. Musical instruments, the guitar, the sitar, the tabla. Or we use the before all musical instruments. So dear students, read this paragraph and learn the use of a and the.